Let's jumpstart our January. Let's go. 20 minutes non-stop. We're gonna get some heel kicks going here. We're gonna have some fun. Build up the cardiovascular endurance. I'll have some active rests, but I'm gonna try to keep going through the full 20 minutes. You do the same. When you get done this, comment in the comment section. Done, completed something, get that small win. You can celebrate it after the 20 minutes. Gonna feel good. Real easy, nothing crazy here, just about movement. I don't care how you move, just move. The whole point of exercise, being physically active, is because it makes us feel so good. Should be fun though. How can we make this fun today? If it's fun for you to not listen to me, throw your music on, just follow along. I get pretty chatty once the endorphins start flowing. Let's move. Little side shuffle. Just getting warmed up. If you don't have much space and this is all you can do, then do that. Just use what you have. We're at home for the holidays. Oh, I want to start getting physically fit in January. Let's start now. If we're not willing to start today, in my experience, January 1st isn't some magical day where all of a sudden, oh, now I'm disciplined. It doesn't quite work like that. Let's get a jump start on everybody. Let's complete the full 20 minutes. Maybe do another workout tomorrow, the next day. Find things that you enjoy doing. Make movement fun. The good old standby. Jumping jacks, come on. We're going to take some time in some of our exercises and bring all of our attention into the movement. Like right now, focus on something, maybe right here, and put all your attention there and see if you can just be without all the mental noise. I don't think there's anything more incredible than developing the skill of learning to pay attention, focus, and what to focus on, as opposed to all those negative thoughts. You can focus on what's terrific, what's great, find the light in every situation, and sometimes just be without all the mental noise. Just notice, even for a second or two, if you go no mind, without any mind, how liberating that can be. Oh yeah. Let's go for a little walk. Getting warmed up. Active rest, active recovery. I love the idea of just staying in perpetual motion for 20 minutes. If we can, if you need a break, you stop. Pause the video, or just rest, whatever you need to do. There's no one size fits all. We just want to be physically active, so it boosts our mood, elevates our energy. There's so many great things about it. Can we just in sync just a little bit? Nothing crazy here. Modify everything and anything, whatever suits you best. Maybe you got a plan for this January, some resolutions. How are you going to stick with them? Celebrate small wins. Attach the new habit to your identity. This is the kind of person I am. I show up for myself. I'm the kind of person who works out every day. I'm the kind of person who eats healthy food. I'm the kind of person who prioritizes my sleep. The kind of person that journals every day. Whatever it is, make it a part of your identity. More likely it's going to stick that way. And I really believe that morning movement, some kind of movement first thing, can really kickstart us into making positive choices throughout the day. I know that when I physically move, I make better food choices. I have more patience. I'm more tired, so I sleep better. I can think more clearly. That's one of the things that I think, let's just reach, that gets missed out a lot in being physically active, is how much it supports our mental health, our ability to focus and concentrate. Like right now, let's just try. I want you to give all your attention to the end of your fingers. Feel a little vibration possibly in them. Watch you point out. Bring all your focus right there. Every time your mind wanders, you just bring it back. No, I'm paying attention to my fingertips. Get a little flow going. No mind. Oh yeah. Hold it there for a second. Fingertips, feel them. Can you feel little sensations? I know we're better at everything we do when we can give 100% attention and focus. We practice being distracted all day long. Here's a great opportunity. I'm gonna get some physical movement in, but I'm also gonna practice paying attention. It's something I love to do. Skaters, you can go slowly. And slow is beautiful sometimes because then we can pay attention a little bit more readily. Like, notice your toes, how they feel every time you set them down. Mindful movement, this is. So we take presence, mindfulness, just the ability to be present, to pay attention to what's happening. That word has been co-opted by capitalists and such, but mindfulness has been around for thousands of years. It's just the ability to be here now. Makes you better at everything you do. Makes you better at the things you don't want to do. We all have things we don't want to do. That's just a part of being human. But we can really focus on it. Paying a bill, paying taxes, doing laundry, whatever the thing you don't like to do, we can change that too. We can decide to like everything, but that's another topic for another day. If I give all my attention to that thing I don't like, you get it done more quickly. You get it done better, so you don't have to do it again. It's out of the way, done, dusted. I get to move on to the things that I really enjoy. There's so many. Feel your hips here. Sink a little deeper. This movement can always be done. Maybe we'll do that in a bit. Maybe we'll get going a little bit quicker later. Redo this. And if this is just like this for you, by all means, modify everything, make it work for you. Challenge yourself, but let's have some fun too. Fun. This is fun for me. It's the result that I kind of like to focus on too. The fun comes from the sense of accomplishment I know I'll have, that I'll be in a better mood, I'll have more energy. Sometimes we focus on the beginning, which is often the hardest part, as opposed to maybe putting our attention on the middle or the end of something where I know I'm gonna feel great, whatever that might be. Getting that thing I don't like done, how about I focus on that? Focus on, when I paid this bill or I paid my taxes, whatever it is, I know I'm gonna feel great. Put my attention there rather than the starting place. I'm gonna do a cross jack. So follow along if you can. Of course you can. But do what works for you. Just find the rhythm. And let's get to it. 20 minutes isn't very long, especially for the result it's going to give us. If you can only do 5 minutes, do 5 minutes. But if you can complete it and get to the end, there's a real sense of accomplishment that comes from finishing something we start. That's how we build willpower. Willpower is built from completing tasks that we start. Tells us that we're the kind of person who shows up, who completes their task, finishes their business, takes care of their business. That relieves a lot of stress and anxiety. I'm the kind of person who does what they say they're gonna do. Easier said than done all the time. Little by little, we get there. Don't forget to breathe. And when you're ready, like I am, let's have a little active rest. Focus on your breath. Stop, grab a drink if you like. You can always, if you have something, and our active rest can always include some stretching. So a dynamic stretch where we're moving as opposed to static stretch. Both good. But the idea today was to really work on our cardiovascular endurance. So if I can keep my heart rate up nicely, stretch at the same time. Happy days. Hallelujah. The endorphins flowing yet? Those feel-good chemicals, the happy chemicals. Happiness is an action. It doesn't just come to us, I promise you. Enjoy the days you get to lie on the beach. Those are lovely. But every day lying on the beach, you're not going to be happy. It's taking action. It's doing difficult things. Happiness, like love, is an absolute action. It's not just going to come to us. We got to go out there and create it. And when you do, oh, it can be a happy life. Feeling good? Okay. Let's move. Build a little core stability. Yes? Hands up. Just a little to the side. Little side crunch. Nobody cares if you have six-pack abs. I promise you. Having good core stability, good function, so that you can carry your groceries home, you can run up the stairs, you can help a friend, move a couch if you need to. Those things people will care about. Six-pack abs is nonsense. And those with six-pack abs often don't have good core stability. It's all for show. I don't want to put those people down. That's not my intention. If that's your thing, go for it. I'm not here to judge anybody or criticize. But for me, as a teenager, I certainly know how much I obsess sometimes about six-pack abs. And it didn't serve me in any way. And nobody who truly cared about me cared if I had six-pack abs or not. But having good core stability, being able to bend over without any back pain, oh mama, that's a good one. That's gonna bring happiness to your life. Unfortunately, our Instagram filters and the world we live in sometimes creates this false promise of happiness through the way we look, and it just doesn't. Okay, let's just move a bit there. How's that, yeah? I know that one to be true for sure. So get your arms involved here. Okay, we're just side to side, but we're keeping moving. You know, those stage pictures and stuff we see, those people, are they truly happy? Maybe. My guess is, because I know I've been there enough years. And why movement is so great is because the way it makes us feel. Looking a little bit better is terrific too. There's no doubt. But feeling great about ourselves, having high self-esteem, and that self-esteem comes from us, nobody else. Nobody else can give us self-esteem. It's doing difficult things, it's showing up for ourselves. We build that self-confidence. And I assure you, what this looks like means nothing. But not having back pain, being able to help a friend, lift some boxes, because you got good core stability, that stuff will contribute to your happiness. Okay, let's challenge ourselves a little bit. You do your best, but touch and pop a little bit, little pop squat. So alternate. Maybe you're just like this. You're just getting down. Beautiful. Acceptance of where you are is massive. We can move beyond once we can accept this is where I am. Whew. Deep talks today. I'm on fire. I rode in today. Got some beautiful fresh air. Lots of snow on the ground, and it was raining. The acceptance of the slipperiness that I can't control. The majority of things just gave me a lot of happiness. Couple more. Pick it up a bit if you can. Yeah. Oh, can you feel that in the hips? I sure can. So, even though this is static, we can build a little balance. If you have somewhere to hold on to, by all means. But we're still moving. This is great for building leg strength, mobility. It's the things we want out of our workouts, our fitness routines. Do they make me more flexible, more mobile, stronger, of course? Other side. It's about functionality. That's the way I look at fitness, exercise, training. Does it make my days better? Am I more functional? If a friend, hey, you want to go for a hike? Yeah, I sure do. I need to run and catch a bus. No problem. Need to climb a few flights of stairs. Yeah, easy. My son needs me to carry him. Let's go, pal. It's just function of life. Making everything you do a little bit easier. More peace and contentment, more joy, more happiness. Hallelujah. One more. I told you I was going to be talking a lot. You could turn me off if you're still with me. Yeah. No apologies. Don't apologize for who you are. Be you. Little squat and punch. Squat and punch. Just keep going. How about this one? We bring all of our attention, all of our focus into this moment. Just notice your legs. Feel your arm. Notice your legs. Feel your arm. Everything can be a little mini meditation. Presence, awareness. Every time your mind wanders off, just notice that's what the mind does. It's a thought-making machine. And bring it back to this moment. Boom. Reach it out. Yeah. I think I can. I think I can. How the legs feel. Connect to your breathing. Oh yeah. One more. Shake it out. Let's just wring our arms out for a moment. Nice wide stance, arms out, and just like you're wringing out a towel. Stretch. Ooh. Hopefully that feels nice. Get our legs going here to the side. Can like turn and then turn. Turn. Ooh, yeah. Lots of different stretching going on there. Oh, I like it. Ooh. Let's move. We are almost done. Let's take that skater from before and pick it up the pace a bit, okay? Not long to go. If you have to slow it down, by all means, do so. If you can, yeah. We're gonna wrap it up in just a moment or two. Stay with me, come on. Let's finish what we start. Celebrate the small wins. This isn't no small win. It's a big victory. Oh, one last, just hold it, and yes. How's that feel? Comment, job done, feeling great, completed. It inspires others, keeps you accountable. Just keep showing up for yourself. Consistency is king. Whatever you want to accomplish this new year, small steps, link the habit to your identity, and it'll stick. Keep coming back. Well done. See you soon. Goodbye.